Now, when you think of Alexa, you think of Alexa in the home, but what if you could take Alexa with you? Well, to help explain, I have Jean here from Amazon.
Hi.
Alexa inside the eyewear, is this a thing?
Oh, absolutely. We think it's the best thing. This is in fact our third generation of smart eyewear, and with this design, we thought about it from the outside in. Customers want to look and feel great when they wear eyewear. Any eyewear, and especially for smart eyewear, it's super important for customers to feel like they're engaged with the real world and able to have superpower Alexa with them, no matter where they're at, whether in home or outside.
Well, what I love about it, it doesn't look like a high-tech eyewear. Nobody would know that you have Alexa. Now, can you explain how it works? Because if you have Alexa, there's got to be a speaker inside the eyewear.
Yes, absolutely. So we designed it with 2 speakers, one on each side. That's designed to send sound to your ears and away from others. There are also 2 microphones on each side that help detect your voice and speech when you talk to Alexa or take a phone call. And it also reduces the wind noise around you. So we've had customers wear the glasses, at least in the past certainly. I'm sure they will wear it for this generation as well, talking on the phone while driving with the windows down.
Yeah.
So it's super noisy, but they hear it beautifully. And their person across the country or whatnot hears it as well.
You know, a lot of people are used to doing hands-free calls with the earbuds, but I love this, that it's already in something that you could use, because you could put prescriptions, I imagine, inside your glasses.
That's right. It comes with prescription ready, blue light lens, and sun glass options as well. This actually is one of our beautiful Carrera designs. We partnered with Safilo, one of the world's top eyewear companies, to come out with 2 of their iconic looks here. And it's a great way for customers to experience hands-free communications and entertainment with them throughout the day. I myself love to listen to Audible and audiobooks while I'm walking my dog, listening to traffic and being fully confident and aware of my environment. Customers love to call their mom while they're washing their dishes, like myself. And so it's a really wonderful and seamless experience.
Now, let's talk about charging and battery life.
Sure, absolutely. So as you might have noticed, there's something magical in the frames in that there are no charging ports or charging dots. We designed it with wireless charging. And so the charging pads are actually here at the top. And we have a charging cradle that will sit in, and it's the same cradle for any of the styles and sizes. And it will charge your frames really quickly, and then you can wear them wherever you want. And so that's the charging experience. Battery life, 6 hours continuous talk or playback at 80% volume. So for my, I wear it at 50% volume, and so I get a lot more listening in the day.
Can people that are beside you hear what's going on inside there?
Let's give it a try.
Yeah, let's hear it.
There we go. Do you hear anything?
Can I? No, I don't hear anything.
And then
but
you can try it. You can put it there, and now you can hear something. Oh, look, it's transcripting.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Yeah, so when it's right, you can hear it.
It's right, yeah.
Can I put it on?
Yes.
I just want to see if I look good.
Yes.
Yeah, see?
Yeah. And we have a style for every look. So there's the library look, perhaps, or the vacation on the beach look. It's really wonderful to be able to choose.
You could be like Mr. Dress Up and have or Mr. Rogers. Instead of a cardigan, you have different glasses for different scenarios.
That's the same thing for, I think, normal eyewear wearers. They want a lot of options, right? You have a sunglasses, perhaps, and a regular streetwear. And I think when you wear something on your face, it's super important. People care about how they look.
Yeah.
And they want to look great and feel great. And I think these designs will really resonate with customers.
It's like Swiss Army knife eyewear, right? Multifunctional eyewear. That's what it reminds me of.
It's eyewear with superpowers.
Yeah.
The power of Alexa wherever you are, whether in the home or out, throughout the day. It's really wonderful.
Just for the record, there is no cameras built into this.
There is no camera. We're really focused on the audio experience and having it be really seamless, having customers be comfortable in their environment no matter where they're at, being able to have intimate conversations and feel great about having it, while also having technology right at their side whenever they need it.
I guess the only stipulation is you have to have your phone with you because it connects with your phone.
Around you, so it's Bluetooth.
So what, 30 feet?
It's actually, I think, 90 feet.
90 feet?
So I can be downstairs and walk outside. My phone's downstairs. I can walk outside past the garage and still get it in the yard. So yeah, it actually works really well to be just free. You feel free of technology in a way that it's there when you need it, disappears when you don't.
Yeah.
and you just look great and you feel great.
Yeah, and it's hard to forget because like if you have prescription eyewear, you're always going to be wearing it. So it's not like
That's
earbuds
right.
where you could lose them very easily.
Yes. And I think customers will love that fact too. Oh, and just one more feature that's new with this is seamless multipoint pairing. So you can be connected to your phone and
Love
your
it.
laptop at the same time. So you could take your work call on your laptop, walk away, get a snack, come back, but you still are hearing and talking on your
So like on a lunch break, I can watch and catch up on my favorite videos on Amazon Prime.
Absolutely. Easy.
I love it. So if you want to take Alexa with you wherever you go, you can right inside your eyewear. Thanks so much.
That's right. Thank you.